Alright, this was after about 3 or 4 more days of work, getting all the bulk garbage bags and trash out of the house into the front yard. And that stuff was possible donation material. And it looks like mold down there in the corners, but it's really just stained dirt and whatnot. Surprisingly, this house didn't have much mold in it. And coming over here to the electrical panel, and I definitely turned that off when I left the house every time. A little dusty and cobweb filled in there, but it actually had been redone in '98 according to the permit, so I was kind of surprised about that. And coming into the bathroom here, I will spare having you see the inside of the toilet for now, and just take an upper view of the bathroom. And the vent pipe came out in that closet there, and it did leak pretty bad, so that was pretty rotted in there. And there's yours truly. And you can see that a lot of the stuff I broke down, I threw out this back door. Not walking on that porch anytime soon. And this is March of 2020, so it was nice to have that wood stove warming the place up. You can see I started taking down the side paneling and the ceiling paneling for the bump out there, although half of it was already gone. We're just starting on that, and got the kitchen cleared out. And hung on to that awesome ride for a little while, but ended up getting rid of it. Actually liked that spice rack in the corner there, but it was rodent infested for far too long, so I ended up getting rid of it at some point. But it was nice to have everything cleared out of there. Coming over to the wood stove, you can see that's where they would chop wood on the floor there, not surprisingly putting holes in the MDF subfloor. Got the coat closet cleared out. Lots and lots of rat droppings in that closet. And there's the low voltage paneling for, I'm imagining, the telephone wires and antenna, doorbell, smoke alarm, that kind of thing. And coming into bedroom number 2, the previous tenant did end up taking a lot of the wood that was left in there, which I would have been happy to have kept a lot of the wood in there, being a woodworker, but yeah, he took it. But he was nice enough to leave me that awesome washer and some old drywall. But there was a couple boxes there in the closet that were full of scrap wood that I may or may not use someday. And coming into bedroom number 3, you can see I started taking the paneling off of this wall as well. And some stuff in the corner I thought I might keep, some vintage speakers, but ended up tossing those at some point. And we have a classic poem over here. I did end up keeping that wallboard, and I'm going to cut that piece out and frame it and hang it in that room after the remodel is done. But uncovered things in this bathroom, and the vent pipe in this room as well had a good leak in it, but it leaked right into the shower, so that really helped keep the subfloor from falling through in there. But it all came out in the end anyway. So there it is, and we'll just leave you off with some classic Led Zeppelin.